Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Basecamp and Asana, two well-known project management platforms trusted by teams around the world. So I'm going to break down their features, their ease of use, pricing, and what type of team each one is best suited for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a quick look at both platforms. So Basecamp is designed around simplicity. It gives teams everything that they need, like to-dos, chat, file sharing, and scheduling without overcomplicating the process. It's built to keep your whole team aligned and in sync without needing a bunch of different tools. On the other hand, Asana leans into structured project tracking. It's built for teams that need detailed planning, multiple workflows, and layered task management. If your projects are more complex or involve lots of steps, then Asana gives you the tools to track everything clearly from start to finish. Now, let's talk about features. So Basecamp comes with a core set of tools that help with team communication and simple task management. You've got message boards, group chat, file storage, schedules, and automatic check-ins that help reduce unnecessary meetings. It's focused on keeping conversations and tasks all in one place so that teams stay organized. Meanwhile, Asana goes a bit deeper into project structure. You can break work down into tasks and subtasks, assign them to different team members, set priorities, attach files, and comment directly on each task. You also get different project views like list, board, calendar, and timeline, which makes it easy to switch between simple to-do tracking and more advanced Gantt-style planning. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Basecamp's interface is simple and clean. Everything is grouped by project, and each project has its own set of tools. There's not much setup required, and it's easy to understand even for non-technical users. Asana, on the other hand, is a bit more complex. It takes a bit of time to get used to, especially when you start using advanced features like automation and custom fields. But once you get comfortable, it becomes a really powerful platform for organizing large-scale work. Now, when it comes to integrations, Asana has the upper hand. It connects with hundreds of popular apps like Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and more. It also supports custom workflows through automation and API access. Basecamp keeps things a little simpler with fewer integrations, relying mostly on third-party tools like Zapier to bridge the gap. Now, let's talk about pricing. So Basecamp has three plans. You got your free, plus, and pro unlimited. The free plan is free forever for one project. The plus plan costs $15 per user each month. The pro unlimited plan is $299 per month if you pay annually. Asana also has three plans. The personal plan is free. Starter plan costs $10.99 per user per month when billed annually, and the advanced plan is $24.99 per user per month when billed annually. So which one should you go for? Well, if you're looking for a simple all-in-one collaboration space that's easy to pick up and keeps your team organized, then Basecamp is a solid choice. But if your work involves more detailed planning and you want flexibility in how you structure your tasks and projects, then Asana is the better option. So that's it for this comparison. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit your like button and subscribe for more side-by-side breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.